morning! So, eto na. Pupunta na kami ng Ninbing. Ready na ba kayo? Excited na? Okay. Oh, excited. Dami. Tex, excited ka na? Hello, good morning. Ay, tayo nga lang ata.
If you have diamond, you give a diamond. So, we'll walk our diamond.
Ngayon pumunta tayo sa pagoda dito ngayon sa may Hanoi. It took us like an hour and a half ata, more than or more. Pero let's see. And ito yung way papunta doon. Sinusundan lang namin yung tour guide namin, ayun, si Son. Ngayon, nasan tayo? Parang pumunta tayo ng pagoda, tapos parang may electric cart sila. Ito yun. Yay! Hello! Yan. Kailangan umawa kayo kasi masyado mabilis. Magaling sila. Kasama na to doon sa trip namin. Ayun, ang ganda ng temple. Ano yun? Parang temple or something. Parang ganda niya akyatin, no? Tapos may parang may gong. Tapos takbo ka after. Charot. Ganda. Yan ang loob niya. Quiet lang kayo, ah. So this is the largest hotel in Vietnam, and it weighed 36 tons. Imagine, that's crazy. That's so. Let's see kung anong gagawin natin dito. Ito siya actually. Better spot, better view. Ito pa lang yan ah. So yan yung bell. Wow. Look at that. That's massive. Ito yung view niya. From the top. Yung may mga fan ng chocolate sila, oh. Kasi di ba nga yung Vietnam tsaka croissant, kasi yung Vietnam na sakop ng France before. Ay. Ayan. Dragon, dragon. Dragon yun. Trang An. Ito yung Trang An boat station. So, sinusundan na namin siya. Dire-diretso na kami. Diba? Ang ganda. Apparently, parang VIP yung nakuha namin. So, express pass. Ni-skip na namin sila. Tapos, nag-wait lang kami. Then, may line kasi, oh. Nga lang. Three. Go, go, go. You go with them. Go, 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 go. Which one's the other one? This one is... Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Ako sa likod niya, taga... Picture ako kayo. Para lang sa'yo. Giling-giling. Forward, forward, forward. Tabi na lang kaya kayo. Ano, yan. Yan. Okay, okay. Ayan na guys, ito na. The Skull Island. Hindi.
Natatakot? Sa cellphone natin.
Hotdog. Hello. Hi. Oh, life jacket, life jacket, life jacket. Oh, wait. So we have to wear our life jacket first. Layan, akit na tayo. Let's go. Fewer steps. I'll finish. Everything is possible. So that's fine. So look at the view. Oh. Ayun na, pati na lang. Rex, pati na lang. Yan. Look how stunning Vietnam is. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, finally guys, we made it. 500 steps all the way to the top. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Ito na next namin. Oh, let's go! I think this is more than 500 to be sure.
I think yun yung 500.